Hey everyone, this is Katerina Christakos, and today I'm going to show you something really cool that I just discovered. It's how to add a video on top of another video. So, I'm using a tool called Dropmock, and I have the link to it below this video. And we just go to video, okay? And you pick whatever template that you want. Now, I'm just going to choose this one here. It's a movie theater. We're going to click on Use. And here's a video, right? Now we're going to put a video on top of it. I'm going to pick the video I want. Let's choose this one. And then I'm going to crop it. I'll make this a little bigger here. This a little bigger there. Bring this down a little bit. Crop and create video. So you have the intro, and look, our video is on top of their video. People are moving down here, this is moving here. You can add background audio. And I'm going to use positive message. I'm going to put in HD, and I'm going to generate a mockup. And there you go. It's ready for download. It's how easy it is. If you want to be able to do this yourself, Dropmock is the answer, and the link is below. Bye.